In this video, I'm going to share this flea market score. This drill press made in 1936 will make a great restoration project. Well, welcome back to Stuart Arts. This morning I got up and I went over to our local flea market here in Stuart, Florida, and it was pretty dead. I thought it was going to be busy because it's season here in Florida, and usually the flea market's pretty busy. But I wandered all over the place and didn't see anything, and I was getting ready to leave, and there's a dealer that I always like to stop and talk to, and he had this little gem right here. He wanted 15 bucks for this thing, and I was so in love with it I didn't even try to talk him down on it. So I grabbed it and brought it home here and been looking it over. What I found out about it is it's a Wizard Junior, and these were sold in 1936, and these were made in Los Angeles, California. Now, the way this was originally designed, you had this pulley, and it had a belt, and there is a hinge point right here, and what that really is a journal for a couple of pulleys. So the two pulleys were here, and the belt would drop down below, and I guess the motor was under this. But he put on the sewing machine motor here, and seems to work okay. He replaced this with a hinge. It's kind of jury-rigged here. I think this is going to be a fun little restoration project. This will be relatively easy to bring back to life. I'm going to put a better motor mount on here. I may go back to the original design where the motor is down below. This thing needs to be set up on something so that the table, so you can adjust the table height, and so this little shaft has a place to go when you raise and lower the table. So I haven't drilled anything with it. I was kind of afraid to plug the thing in. It's kind of rinky-dink how this was done with the wiring, so I need to do something better there. But we'll go ahead and plug this thing up. Well, it's not a real powerful drill, but it's cutting holes in this piece of walnut, so it's a fairly stout piece of wood. And I imagine if I tighten the belt up a little more, I'll get a lot more power. I think it's slipping a little bit right at the moment. But hey, I think this thing is kind of cool. I think it's worth restoring. I'm going to clean it up. I'm trying to decide whether I'm going to repaint it or not. It's got a label on here. I kind of hate to disturb the little label. But maybe I'll repaint it and just cover that label and let that stand out on its own. Well, that's all I wanted to cover for today. There will be a part 2 to this video down the road. I'm not sure when I'm going to get to this. I have a few things in front of this little project, but I just thought I would share my excitement on this, and I hope you'll tune in when I do the restoration. Well, thanks for watching. Please be sure to leave a like and a comment, and if you haven't decided to become a subscriber, I hope you'll go ahead and push that button. Have a great day.